Good morning students. Maths class 7 lesson 4 exponents. Now what do you mean by this word exponents? Exponents means index or power. Now exponents are used to represent large numbers in a simple way. So this is the definition of exponent. Now suppose we have a large number here, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of writing this big number like this, we can write is equals to, so we can write it as equals to 10 to the power, so we can write equals to 10 to the power 5. Now let us come to the exercise 4.1. Now one more thing, when we write 10 to the power 5, this 10 is called the base and 5 is called the exponent. And we read it as 10 raised to the power 5 or we read as 10 to the power 5. Now let us come to exercise 4.1. Now the first question is, write the base and exponent. Number A, 7 to the power 4. Now which one is the base here and exponent here? Now 7 to the power 4, if we break it and write, that means 7 into 7. We will multiply by 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here 7 is the base. So what is 7? 7 is the base and 4 is the exponent. This 4 we also call it as power or exponent or index. So I have already written here, exponent is also called as index or power. This is the other name of exponent. Now let us come to number C. 24xy to the power 2. That means 24xy into 24xy, we will multiply how many times? 2 times. Why? Because the power is 2. So here what is the base? 24xy is the base and 2 is the exponent. Let us come to question number 2. Write in exponential form. Now 3 into 3 is multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4 times and 7 is multiplied 3 times. So don't find out the answer. You just have to express in exponential form. So 3 to the power 4 into 7 to the power 3. Next, let us come to number D. Now here A into A into A. So we have here how many times A? 3 times. And P into P into P into P. So how many times we have P here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the exponential form will be A to the power 3 into P to the power 4. So this is the way of writing in the exponential form. You just count it how many times it is appearing and you just write the base and the exponent. Next come number 3. Here we have to find the value. So we have to break it, multiply and find the value. 10 to the power 3 is equals to 10 into 10 into 10. So when we multiply this, we will get it as 1000. Again here 6 to the power 4. So 6 is the base, 4 is the exponent or the power. Now 6 into 6 we will multiply how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 because the power is 4. So we will get the answer 1296. Now we will go to number 4 sums.